Have you ever studied for hours, scored well in an exam, and then forgotten almost everything just a few weeks later? If yes, you're not alone. Your brain is actually doing exactly what it was designed to do. It constantly decides what information is important enough to keep and what can be forgotten. If you don't use or revisit what you've learned, your brain assumes it isn't important and slowly removes it. That's why so many students feel like they're studying the same chapter over and over again. More than 100 years ago, psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus explained this through the forgetting curve. It shows that our memory starts fading soon after learning something new. This doesn't mean you're a bad student. It simply means your brain needs timely revision to move information into long term memory. Unfortunately, most students revise only before exams, when much of what they learned has already faded. Now, think about how we use AI today. We ask a question, get an answer, and move on. The next day, the AI usually doesn't know what we studied yesterday, which topics confused us, or what mistakes we keep repeating. Every conversation starts from zero. But what if AI could actually remember your learning journey? Imagine an AI that keeps track of every chapter you've studied, every quiz you've taken, every mistake you've made, and every concept you've mastered. Instead of simply answering questions, it builds a personal learning profile. It knows you're good at algebra but struggle with trigonometry. It notices you've answered Newton's laws incorrectly several times. It predicts you're about to forget photosynthesis because you haven't revised it in 2 weeks. Instead of asking, what do you want to study today? It says, let's spend 5 minutes reviewing these concepts because your retention is dropping. That's not just an AI chatbot, that's an AI tutor that understands how your memory changes over time. This is where large language models become much more powerful. The LLM explains concepts, answers questions, and creates examples, while a memory system keeps track of your progress over weeks, months, or even years. Together, they can estimate your understanding, measure your retention, identify recurring misconceptions, and generate personalized revision plans. Instead of asking every student to revise an entire chapter, the AI focuses only on the concepts each student is most likely to forget. One real example is ClassScribe. Its AI powered mock test system doesn't generate random questions every time. It remembers your previous attempts, analyzes the mistakes you made, identifies weak concepts, tracks your improvement, and generates new mock tests focused on the areas where you need the most practice. As your performance improves, the questions adapt too, creating a continuous feedback loop that makes every test smarter than the last. This is the future of education. AI won't just answer your questions. It will remember what you've learned, understand what you've forgotten, predict what you'll forget next, and help you revise at exactly the right time.